Read it out loud.
Listen to his card. 5 cents. Cost of gas to drive to Shelley, $50. Miles from Great Falls to Shelley, 500 plus. Being here with you when you look at the back of this card, priceless.
Upside down. No?
Dad.
What is that?
Dad. Dad.
It says Emily Hudson, so it must be an X-ray.
Dad.
You got an empty spot somewhere in your stomach.
Dad.
Oh.
You got a baby coming?
Hey.
Are you kidding?
Hey, we
I
didn't go
have
for that.
prayed so hard for that.
Oh, so that's the picture of.
That's the little baby. It's teeny.
You don't know whether it's boy or girl yet, then, do you?
Guess what?
Isn't it exciting?
Second girl.
I found out.
So
First,
when
found out.
I'm 8 weeks
Dad.
pregnant.
That's
you
good.
are kidding.
I overheard it.
Yeah.
So which doctor do you have to thank for this?
Nobody. They
Which
came
doctor?
without any help. Yeah.
The witch doctor.
Dr. Hodgson.
That's right. This doctor right here. You can thank me.
So the baby's
Lee's pregnant.
July 4th, probably, right around there.